Hello guys, I am Mitsuni. Welcome back to my channel. If you are looking for a job opportunity in tech field, this video can save your time because I came up with a very good opportunity in a very big MNC, that is Intuit. This role is designed for freshers and professionals with 0 to 2 years of experience. So if you are starting your tech career and want to grow in a real product based company, this is a solid option. Intuit is known for building products used by millions of consumers and small businesses worldwide. You will be aligned with a team based on your skills, interests, and career goals, which means real learning and real impact from day one. The hiring is open across multiple engineering tracks. Coming to the first track, this is a front-end engineering, working with React, Angular, Vue, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. In backend engineering, you have to work using Java, Python, Node.js, and databases like MySQL, PostgreSQL, MongoDB, and REST APIs. In full stack engineering, combining front-end and backend with Agile and DevOps tools. And finally, in mobile engineering, Android, iOS, React Native, and Flutter. So I repeat again that this is not the whole thing you will be doing. You will be aligned based on your skills and interest. This is a software engineering role, and you will be aligned based on your skills from any of these. No matter the stack, you will work on core-oriented products, collaborate with designers, product managers, and senior engineers, learn best practices in scalable software development, get mentorship, feedback, and hands on guidance. Coming to the qualifications, if you are from bachelor's or master degree in computer science or any related field, you are eligible, and strong fundamentals in programming and OOPS concept. Academic projects, internship, or personal projects are enough. Basic understanding of web technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript is also a good plus. And coming to the languages, they mainly looking for Java, Python, JavaScript, C++, etc. Also, awareness of AI and Gen AI concepts is an added advantage. Now, coming to the package, Intuit offers a very competitive pay, which includes strong base salary, performance based cash bonus, equity or stocks, and health benefits and long term growth opportunities. And if you are someone with zero experience, the package would go around 25 LPA to 32 LPA. So yeah, this is a very good opportunity because this is a American MNC. The pay would be very good here. And don't worry if you don't know any of these skills. I have already uploaded all the cheat sheets and practice materials. You can access them by scanning the QR code on the screen or through the resources link in the description box. We also share updates on LinkedIn and WhatsApp channel, so make sure you check out and follow them. Also, I post verified job opportunities in tech career. Make sure to subscribe and like the video. Till then, keep learning and keep applying. Thanks for watching.